how to fix this Apple ID has not been used in the App Store. So basically you're gonna see a pop-up window appearing to you just like this, and what you're gonna do if you are using iPhone, if you're using iPad, basically you're gonna just click on the review and it's gonna open up a new window for you, like a window to sign in with your account in Apple. So basically you're gonna sign up and you're gonna enter your first name, last name, and you're gonna enter if you have a credit card or whatnot, and basically you're gonna add your own address. And afterwards what's gonna happen is you're gonna just hit next at the top right, and basically you'll be able to log in with your account on Apple. So basically, all it takes is for you to sign up with Apple in order to establish your own account on iCloud, and basically you'll be able to make purchases, download an app, and basically saving your own data in the cloud. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.